Hello and welcome to the Exodus and SportX experience. SportX is the ultimate sports and esports betting app where you can place instant bets without having to sign up for an account or give up any personal information. Let's see it in action. If you don't already have Exodus or SportX, download it for free by clicking the link above or visiting exodus.com. You'll have to send USDC on the Polygon network known as MATIC USDC to your Exodus wallet to place bets. 1 USDC equals $1. You can exchange for Polygon MATIC USDC in Exodus using Bitcoin or other popular cryptocurrencies such as Solana and Ethereum. Or you can send USDC to your personal Exodus wallet from another platform. So here we are in Exodus. And as you can see, I already have some Polygon MATIC USDC in my wallet. I'm ready to bet. First, click on Settings and then the Apps tab. Here you'll see SportX. Click Install, Open, and bam! There are a lot of sports to bet on, like football, UFC, hockey, tennis, and even esports like League of Legends. You can also bet on crypto price predictions. I'm going to click on English Premier League to see all upcoming matches. This Chelsea versus Manchester United game looks good. I'm going to enter 100 USDC as my bet amount on Chelsea. You can see here what I'll win. Place bet, wait a few seconds, and we're done. Click View All Bets to see the bet details. If Chelsea wins this match, my winnings will be automatically sent to my Exodus wallet. No account was required to set this up. All I needed was some USDC in my Exodus wallet to make this happen. Download Exodus, install SportX, and place your bets. If this video helped, give it a like and let us know in the comments what events you're betting on. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more crypto videos from Exodus.